GPT-5 versus Gemini 2.0, which new model wins in 2025? Two giants have entered the arena. On one side, OpenAI's brand new GPT-5. The model Sam Altman says made him feel useless, comparing its power to the Manhattan Project. On the other, Google's lightning-fast Gemini 2.0, now supercharged with its 2.5 upgrade and a context window big enough to hold entire libraries. Both claim to be the smartest AI you can use today. But in 2025, only one will win your trust. This is not a specs sheet reading. This is a head-to-head showdown where we'll push both models to their limits in reasoning, speed, coding, and creativity. By the end, you won't just know which is better. You'll know which one you should bet your next big idea on. When GPT-5 launched in August 2025, it wasn't just an update, it was a leap. Multiple variants, Standard, Mini, Nano, and Pro, made it versatile for every type of user. And then came its biggest trick, agentic intelligence. This model doesn't just answer. It thinks, plans, and acts like a strategist. It can slow down for complex reasoning, switch modes mid-task, and chain steps together to solve multi-layered problems. Its memory capacity exploded, 256,000 tokens in ChatGPT, and an incredible 400,000 via API. That's enough to feed it a week-long conversation, an entire code base, or a 1,000-page document without losing track. And in coding, GPT-5 shattered benchmarks. 74.9% on SWE Bench, 88% on Ader's collaborative tasks. It's safer, smarter, and more adaptable, offering personality modes, integrated voice, and deep connections to tools like Gmail, Calendar, and even your browser. Talking to it feels less like using a program, and more like collaborating with a human partner. But while OpenAI was crafting GPT-5 in the shadows, Google's DeepMind was moving fast. Gemini 2.0 flash dropped earlier in 2025 and instantly set a new speed record for AI responses. It didn't just understand text, it saw images, heard audio, and even handled video with ease. Then came the Gemini 2.5 upgrade, and with it Deep Think mode. Just like GPT-5, it could now pause and plan before answering, making its responses sharper and more accurate. Its biggest flex? A 1 million token context window. That's not just more than GPT-5, it's a different universe. With that much memory, Gemini can keep an entire book series, multiple research archives, or hours of transcripts in its head, and still respond without skipping a beat. It's also blazing fast, nearly twice as quick as its 1.5 Pro version, and can stream responses live through its API. For creators, its multimodal workflow means you can turn a single prompt into a narrated, edited video without touching another tool. So which is better, speed or depth? GPT-5 plays the long game. It's deliberate, precise, and analytical, like a chess grandmaster willing to take an extra moment to win the match. Gemini 2.0 is a sprinter, lightning fast and deadly accurate for real-time systems, live chats, and on-the-fly creativity. In our reasoning tests, GPT-5's patience often delivered more accurate answers on complex tasks. But Gemini's raw speed is addictive, especially when you're building in real time. Now let's talk coding. Both models can write and debug code, but GPT-5's benchmark dominance is real. In our trials, it not only fixed problems but explained its reasoning, anticipated potential bugs, and optimized performance. Gemini 2.0 fought back with incredible math and algorithm performance. And when given a hand-drawn diagram, it turned it into functioning code almost instantly. If you're purely focused on coding, GPT-5 feels more reliable. If you're blending code with visuals or design, Gemini's multimodal skills make it a strong contender. Creativity is another battlefield. Gemini thrives here, blending text, images, audio, and video in a way that feels like magic. You can describe a product, drop in an image, and watch it generate a ready-to-use promo video. GPT-5 is powerful too, especially with plugins. But Gemini's all-in-one creative environment gives it an undeniable edge for content creators. Then there's the memory game. 256,000 tokens is massive. 1 million is mind-bending. For ultra-long projects or massive data work, Gemini wins hands down. But for most users, GPT-5's capacity is more than enough, and its smaller window can mean faster processing without dragging in irrelevant details. Finally, personality. GPT-5 feels alive. Its personality modes, conversational warmth, and safe completions make it feel like a trusted partner. Gemini is more businesslike, efficient, precise, and laser-focused on the task at hand. It's brilliant, but it won't charm you the way GPT-5 can. So who wins? If you crave lightning speed, unmatched memory, and effortless multimodal creation, Gemini 2.0 is your champion. If you value deep reasoning, elite coding skills, and a model that feels almost human, GPT-5 is the one to beat. In truth, the real victory is ours. Because in 2025, we have two super AIs pushing each other forward, giving us tools our past selves could only dream about. Now it's your turn. Which one will you choose? Drop your pick in the comments and tell us why. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the ultimate AI battle, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to AI Innovations and Tools for more mind-blowing AI stories, comparisons, and tutorials. And the future is here, and it's only getting faster.
Want more AI gems? Subscribe to AI Innovations and Tools.